To be continued, the topic string in two dimensions. Some important relations. Of catenary. Relation between x and s. S equals to c times I and c dy upon dx. Since dy upon dx equals to tan psi. Okay, students, right? And we have y equals to c cos hyperbolic x upon c, differentiating sin hyperbolic x upon c from first and second. S equals to c sin hyperbolic x upon c. Number 2, relation between y and s. We have s equals c sin hyperbolic x upon c and y equals to c cos squaring and subtracting y square minus s square equals to c square cos hyperbolic square x upon c sin hyperbolic square x upon c, c square into 1 c square. Relation between x and psi dx upon d psi equals to dx upon ds ds upon d psi. We may write as dx upon d psi equals to dx upon d psi means dx upon ds into d s upon d psi. We know that is cos psi d upon d psi c tan psi. Students, you know dx upon ds equals to cos psi and s equals c tan psi. C cos psi sec square psi c cos psi integrating c sec psi. C log sec psi plus tan psi. At lowest point psi equals to 0, s equals to 0, then c1 equals to c1 equals to 0 because log 1 equals to 0. Then s equals to c log sec psi plus tan psi. Right, students? And fourth, relation between y and psi. dy upon d psi, we may write as dy upon ds, ds upon d psi. dy upon ds means sin psi, or that is ds upon d psi, in which s equals to c tan psi, differentiating it sin c sin psi into sec square psi, c sec psi tan psi. On solving, integrating y equals to c sec psi plus c2 at initially y equals to c psi equals to 0, c sec 0 और c2 equals to 0, y equals to c sec psi. And relation between tension and ordinate. Relation between tension and ordinate y. We know that T cos psi equals to T naught. T cos psi, horizontal component of the force, T cos psi equals to T naught, or T cos psi equals to WC, T equals to WC sec psi, or T equals to WY by relation to from 4. That is 5 relations. That is 5 most important relations of the common catenary. Sorry. Now we discuss about this question.